Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by entering your UEFI firmware. Press the vendor key at boot and go straight to the Boot or Security tab. You must back up data now because removing Windows entries can leave the system unbootable. Disable Fast Boot so settings apply immediately, and make a photo of the current boot order to restore later. Once done, locate Secure Boot and note its state. This affects whether UEFI will accept manual boot entries or removable media. Now navigate to Boot Manager or Boot Option Priorities and identify the Windows Boot Manager entry. Select it and use Delete or Remove to drop the NVRAM entry. If your firmware lacks a delete function, boot a Rescue USB and use fbootinger on Linux or bcdedit from Windows Recovery to remove the Windows entry. This is why a bootable tool matters. Make sure to update the boot order so a valid boot device is first, and then save changes and reboot. Verify the system now boots the correct device or goes to your installer. If the Windows partition still exists, boot a partition manager or recovery media and format or delete that partition to fully remove Windows files. If the machine won't boot after removal, try toggling Compatibility Support Module, CSM, or briefly re-enable Secure Boot. Then adjust the boot order again. This single troubleshooting step resolves many mismatched firmware and bootloader conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.